fried chicken. I have 5 garlics and 1 onion. Slice the onion quartered. In a pan, put the onion and garlic. Put the whole chicken. One cup of soy sauce. Any soy sauce will do. 2 tablespoons of whole peppercorn. Half a cup of oyster sauce. And I also add 3 tablespoons of salt. And lastly, don't forget the Sprite. Put the Sprite until the chicken is submerged. And please, like and subscribe. Just mix it well. You can also add chicken bouillon. Cover and boil it. I boiled it for 45 minutes. Occasionally turning the chicken. If you haven't subscribed on this channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Then I just took the chicken out, let it set room temperature. In a wok, hot oil, 375 degrees. I cook the chicken 5 minutes on each side. Did you see the onion and garlic there? It will add fragrance and taste on your chicken. Just remove the garlic and onion while you're frying the chicken. It will only take 5 minutes on each side. Be careful now. Look at that. Perfect. 5 more minutes. Having fun yet? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Tender and juicy. Taste test. Look at that. Look at that. So tender and juicy. Thank you for watching.